Hello student, welcome once again in our 7th standard mathematics chapter number 4 exercise 4.2 simple equation. Dear student, in first session we check out the exercise 4.1. Now look at here questions of 4.2 simple equations. Question number 1, give first the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. There are a to h. First one is x minus 1 is equal to 0. We can say this is an equation because it has two parts, left hand side and right hand side. Yes, correct. And it has a variable x. So here we can remove the minus 1 by adding plus 1 both the side. Yes. So x minus 1 on left side plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Also on right side, both the side we can add 1. So 1 will be cut. Left side you can find x is equal to 1. Easy? Yes. So we have to keep on left side only the variable. Remaining thing we have to remove by adding, subtracting, multiplying or divide. Easy? Correct. Look at the B. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So whenever I want to remove the plus 1, I have to subtract minus 1 on the both side. So on the left side I have x plus 1. If I make minus 1, which gives me a x only. As well as right side you can see 0 minus 1, which gives me a minus 1. So final answer should be x is equal to minus 1. Yes, correct. C. Only x is left. Right side minus 1. 0 minus 1, that means a minus 1. Yes. So x is equal to minus 1. C. X minus 1 is equal to 5. Yes, very good answer. Minus 1 I want to remove. What I will do? Yes, you can do. Very nice. So, x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, right hand side also I have to add 1. So 5 plus 1. So 1 will be cut. And 5 plus 1, that gives me a 6. So x is equal to 6 is the answer. Easy? Yes, very easy questions. I will show you next method also. New method are there, but in next exercises. D. Question is x plus 6 is equal to 2. Only I want variable x. So 6 is more is there, plus. So I can remove 6 by subtracting 6. So left side I will subtract with 6. I have to subtract on right side also. Right side I am having 2. So left side what will become now? X plus 6 minus 6. And right side 2 minus 6. So x is equal to minus 4. E. Can you solve yourself? Is all easy? Yes, you can do. But be careful, the rules you have to remember. Minus 7 plus 4. What will be the answer? Not 3, minus 3. Because 7 is a bigger number than 4. Yes. Correct. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. subtracting 4 from the left side as well as right side. So y is equal to 0. H, y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Subtracting 4 from both sides. Minus 4 and minus 4, both numbers are minus or negative numbers, so it should be added. Whenever both numbers are different sign, it may be subtracted, but the both numbers are having the same sign, either positive or negative. It should be added. Question number 2 is on your screen. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. New things. Value and variable. Value means a number and variable an alphabet. I want to remove 3 from 3L. What I can do? I cannot add, I cannot subtract. Now next choice is multiplication or divide. If I divide with 3 left side, I have to divide with right side also by same number. Yes, dividing by both the side 3, 3. Here you should have to remember the table. That's why I am always telling you at least you should have to remember 1 to 20 tables. You should have to know. Yes, my dear student, you should have to know about 1 to 20 tables. Okay? Look at the B. B upon 2 is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides with 2. Because it's a division by 2, we can multiply by 2. Correct. So B upon 2 multiplied by 2, that means 2 will cut. Same way on the right side, 6 2s are 12. So it's so easy. So solutions of this equation is B is equal to 12. There is another method also. I know you are knowing very well. You can go through it also. But what they ask, we have to follow the questions. So here is the solution of B. Look at the question C. P divided by 7 is equal to 4. Yes, what we can do here? Multiply. You are right. Correct. So P divided by 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to, right side also we have to multiply with 7. So left side 7 will cut. Right side you are having 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. Same way D. 4x is equal to 25. 4 cut. And 25 upon 4. X is equal to 25 upon 4. E. 8y is equal to 36. Dividing both sides with 8. Because 8 is in multiplication, opposite of multiply is divide. Or you can remember like this way, addition, that means subtraction, subtracted, this means opposite is addition. Multiply, divide, then multiply. Yes, that things is here. Only you should have to remember. You will find out your solutions very easily. Correct. G. A upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 15. Multiplying both sides with 5. 5 cut, as well as you can see 7 upon 15 multiplied by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Yes, you can cut. So final answer is equal to x is equal to 7 by 3. 20t is equal to minus 10. I want to remove a 20. So divide 20. Minus 10 divided by 20. Final answer is t is equal to minus 1 by 2. Easy? Yes, it is easy. So I think it So easy questions. Look at the third one. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. 4 questions are there, A, B, C, D. Solve the equations also they ask. Here first n, second m, third p and fourth also p variables. Solution is here. -2, that means add both the sides plus 2. Add means plus 2. Now I am having 3n is equal to 48. Again, next step I want to do. In previous question only one steps answer, here 2 steps are there. 3n is equal to 48. So dividing 3 both the side, I can get n is equal to 16. Yes, variables answers is there. Second thing is here, it is a 2 steps answers. Yes. -2 plus 2 cut it. 46 plus 2 that is 48. 3n is equal to 48. Dividing 3 from both the sides. Now I have to remove 3. I want only n variable. Yes, we have a solution for this one. Dividing 3 both the side, we will get it. N is equal to 16. Yes, why? In 48 divided by 3. See here, 48 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 1, 3 is equal to 1. Bringing down 8 and 3 6 are 18. You can do it like this way in rough work. No problem, student. Minus it. Isn't it? 0, 0. Clear? Second one, B. Same way, plus 7 is there. So remove first plus 7. Plus or minus remove first. Then after multiply or divide. Addition is there. We can subtract both the side with the same number. We will get a solution for that one. 5m is equal to 10 because 17 minus 7 is giving me a 10. Okay, again I want to remove 5. We will get it here. M is equal to 2 is our solution. C. 20p upon 3 is equal to 40. Multiplying both sides with 3. So we can multiply 3 both the side. We will get 20p is equal to 120 because 40 into 3 is equal to 120. Correct. Now again we have to remove 20 from the left side. We will get it. P is equal to 6 because 120 divided by 20. Yes, 26 is 120. Correct. So here we have the answer of C. P is equal to 6. Look at the question number 6. Is it? Yes. Now D. 3p upon 10 is equal to 6. Is it? Put the value to the left side. 6. 26 120 upon 3. That means gives you 40. These are 12. Yes, like that way. 3p upon 10 is equal to 6. Multiplying both the side 10. So answer is 3p is equal to 60. 10 will cut. 6 10 is 60. Now I want to remove 3p. 3 is in multiplication. So I want to divide by 3 both the side. 3 cut. and here 20 3s are 60. P is equal to 20. Put the value of 20 on our question D. 3P, P की जगह पे 20 लगा दो बेटा. 3 into 20, 320 जा 60. 60 divided by 10, क्या मिला बेटा? 60 divided by 10, you get 6. So right side is 6. So our solution is correct. Easy? Yet question 3 also over. Look at the question number 4. 10p is equal to 100. 10p plus 10 is equal to this one, that one. Easy. Now you are very clever. But division method, number zeros are there. Cut it according to the zeros. Correct. Left side only p is left. 10 10 cut. Right side 100 divided by 10. That means you are knowing 0 0 cut. 10 upon 1, that means 10. 1 is over. Second one, 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. We can minus it, minus 10 both sides. 10p is equal to 90. 100 minus 10, that means 90. 90 divided by 10, p is equal to 9. Final answer. Okay, look at the next D. P upon 3. Sorry, P upon 4. C will answer. Before that, just conclude it here. P is equal to 9. B is over C. P by 4 is equal to 5. I am keeping all the answer on your screen. So whenever you want to see, you can check out all the answers. My best try to give the each and every question solution in detail. Either it's a repeated or new one. And maths is a subject to revise number of times. Look at the E. 3p upon 4 is equal to 6. First we can remove the 4. Divide by 4. That means multiply by 4 both the side. Or luckily you can get 3p upon 3 is equal to 24. 6 4s are 24. Now dividing by 3 both the side, I will get p is equal to 8. Take your time to understand. If you have any doubt, ask. Without any hesitations, you are most welcome to ask me any doubts. If you are not asking any doubt, that means we can understand there is a complete solutions you understood. Even if you have any doubt for addition, subtraction, multiply or divide, ask immediately. 3 will cut and 9 upon 3, that means 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, but the minus sign should be there. G. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. I want to remove 12. It's a plus sign, that means I will subtract both the side minus 12 on the both the side. Left side only 3s left is equal to 0, no, but 12 minus 12. 3 divide both the side, 4 3s are 12. So s is equal to minus 4 is the answer. Correct. H. Only one step. 3s is equal to 0. 3 3 remove. 0 divided by 3. I already remind number of times. Any number divided by 0 always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is also 0. I. 2q is equal to 6. Remove 2. 2 is in multiplied. So divide by 2 both the side. Left side and right side. 2 will cut. 6 divided by 2. That gives us a 3. Is it correct? Next one. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, my dear student, it is right. Plus 6 both side. Then after 2 cut. Very good, very good. You are understood now. 2 cube plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6, that means minus 1. Minus both the sides, 6. Subtract 6 both the side, left side and right side. You are having now 0 minus 6, that means gives us a minus 6. So 2 will cut, q is equal to minus 3. Minus 6 divided by 2 gives us a minus 3. Correct. Look at the F, J, K, L. Look at forward. Plus 6. Subtract 6. 12 minus 6 gives us 6. Positive 6. Yes. Q is equal to 3. So here we end up our question number 4. And exercise 4.2 also over. We can meet in our 4.3. Till there, bye bye. Take care.